Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Lay TV. This is Teacher Lay. I am an ESL teacher in Bangkok, Thailand. So welcome to my channel. Okay, so this is the logo of my school, Radburana School. Welcome to our English class. For this episode, we're going to talk about Okay, so in this episode, we're going to study how to tell time, the telling time, how to tell time. So let's move forward. Look and say. Look and say. Right. So before we begin, let me explain a little bit that we call this one a clock, right? A clock. Usually, it looks like this. A clock got two hands, the short one and the long one, or the short hand, which is the blue, color blue, and the long hand, the red one. So let's begin counting the hours. Okay, so on your left, you'll see the blue, which is the font I used was blue. Okay, the blue font represents the hours. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we have 12 hours. All right, and then like for example, here in Thailand, they use the military time, or maybe for some who doesn't know what military time is, the counting of time is 24 hours. It continued until the 24th. Okay, so in this episode, I'm going to cut the 24 hours by 2, like divide it into 2, which is 12 and 12. So here we use the 12 in AM and 12 PM. Okay, so in the AM, in the morning, from 1 to 12, that's AM, and then another 12, the PM. Okay, so we're done with the, as I've said, I will repeat it again. I will use the 12-12. Okay, 12-12 system. Okay, so let's move on here. Now, on your right, the red font, this is the counting of minutes. Okay, so every number, we add 5 to it. Okay, so the first minute is 5. Add another 5, 10, 15, 20 or 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and then we go back to the 00 or the o'clock. Okay, so again, on your left, the blue font represents the hours, and on the right, on your right side, the red font represents the minutes, hour and minute. Okay, so we are here now. So the shorthand represents the hour, and the longhand represents the minute. So if it's exact, I mean the longhand pointing to 12 or the 00, so we will use the o'clock here. Okay, if it's exact. Okay, the question will be, what time is it? What time is it? Okay, so since I am in Thailand and I'm teaching ESL to Thai students, I thought the translation of this is wala man ku wala alay, but man ku wala alay. But I found out I'm wrong. Okay, so when I googled it, what time is it in Thai isกี่ชั่วโมงแล้ว like that กี่ชั่วโมงแล้ว what time is it? Let's keep moving. Okay, so the answer will be it's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock because it's the long hand is pointing at the 00. So whenever it's in 00, it's a clock. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. Keep practicing so you will remember the question and how to answer it. What time is it? Okay. It's 3 o'clock. What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. Easy because we can count from 1 to 12. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Okay, you'll just have to look at the shorthand where it is pointing. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. All right. So the last one. Okay, so they are pointing at the same direction, which is at the 12 or the 00. So when we ask the question, what time is it? Okay. If it's pointing, both hands are pointing to the same number, which is the 12. It's 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Okay. So we're done with the o'clock. We will now use, we are going to count or be attentive to the counting of minutes. All right. Look at the short hand, color blue, and the long hand, the red one. The same question, what time is it? Okay, so you will read the first number, the blue font, and then the red font. Okay, so it's 11:45. 11:45. Okay, so just look at the shorthand. Okay, and the long hand, the blue and the red. All right. What time is it? Okay, so the shorthand was first, and then the minute. Okay, so it's 3:05. 3:05. Okay, red, the blue first, the shorthand, and then the long hand, which is red. What time is it? Okay, so the 5 first, then the minutes, which is 10. It's 5:10. Let's keep going. What time is it? Okay. It's 8:30. 8:30. Okay. What time is it? Okay. It's 6:55. 6:55. Even the words, the 6 is in blue and the 55 is in red to make it clearer for you to see. What time is it? It's 3:15. What time is it? It's 10:10. Okay, now we will move to the conversation practice. So our study is for us to know how to use the English words or whatever we learn into practice, which is in the conversation. So we will know, we will be confident enough to talk because we knew or we know. What time is it? Okay, it's 10:15. What time is it? It's 11:45. What time is it? It's 12:25. What time is it? It's 1:30. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. Okay, because the long hand is pointing to 12. What time is it? It's 3:55. Okay, now it's let's try again. Okay. By the way, before I proceed or continue, this is American way. Okay, we're using the American English here because the British English, they read time differently also. So let's continue. What time is it? Okay, so it's 4. The shorthand is pointing to 4. So it's 4. We will read the hour first. And then the minutes, which is in the longhand, is in 00 or 12. We will answer this. Okay, let's read again the question. What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. So if there's no minutes, I mean, the long hand is pointing to 0, 00 or 12. We'll just say the o'clock. So it's easy. What time is it? What time is it? Okay. So we will read the hour, which is the shorthand pointing to 9. So it's 9 o'clock. Let's keep moving. What time is it? Okay, so the shorthand is pointing to 2. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. What time is it? So here you see the shorthand. It's pointing to 1. And then the long hand to 4, or the minutes, which is 20. 20. What time is it? It's 1:20 or 1:20. What time is it? It's 10:30. It's 10:30. What time is it? Okay. So it's, what time is it? It's 8:15. 8:15. Keep going. Okay, now we will move to another question. That is it. Is it. So when we see the question, or we hear the question, is it? This is a question answerable by yes or no. Okay, so here the question is it 7 o'clock? Is it 7 o'clock? Okay. So, is it 7 o'clock? Look at the short hand, the blue, and the long hand. Is it 7 o'clock? So, definitely it's no, it isn't. No, it isn't. It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock because it's the short hand is pointing to 8. Is it 4 o'clock? Is it 4 o'clock? Okay, so you know this question and you know the answer. I'm sure that you know, you surely know the answer. Okay, so no, it isn't. It's 10 o'clock. Okay, without the minutes, it is easier to read the time. Another question. Is it 1 o'clock? Is it 1 o'clock? Okay, what's your answer? Is it 1 o'clock? Done. No, it isn't. Okay, it's 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. Okay, good job. Let's keep going. Now it's your turn. Okay, be ready. You're going to answer this question. All right, you'll choose which clock, okay? We have 3 clocks here. Which one? Okay, so whenever you hear the word which, it means to say there are choices and you will choose. Okay, so we have the 3 choices, A, B, or C. Which one is 6 o'clock? Okay, is it A, B, or C? Look at the short hand, the blue hand. Okay, what's your answer? That's correct. It's in letter, it's 6 o'clock. It's in letter B. Okay, the monkey's very happy with your answer. Good job. Next question. Which one? Which one? Okay, it's 3:10. 3:10. Okay. So you have to check the long hand, the short hand, and the long hand. 3:10. So A and B, the short hand is pointing to 3. Both of the short hand is pointing to 3. While the C is pointing to 4. So what is the 3:10 there? What clock says it's 3:10? Okay, good job. It's letter A. Okay, well done for that. Let's keep moving. Which one? Okay, which one is saying that it's 7 o'clock? 7 o'clock. Okay, so you have to look at the shorthand pointing to 7. Okay, 2 clocks are pointing to 7, but which one is 7 o'clock? Excellent. Letter C. Okay. 1 point for you. Which one? Okay. Which one is the clock that says it's 5:20? 5:20. Where's the 5:20 or 5:20? A, B, or C? Okay. So 5. Definitely you'll know the 5. What clock says it's 5:20? Okay. Because the shorthand is pointing to 5 and then 20. Okay, there you go. Letter C. Okay. Another question. Which one? Right? Okay, which clock says it's 11 o'clock? 11 o'clock. Okay, I think two clocks. The shorthand is pointing to 11. The A and B. So definitely not the C. So you'll choose between A and B. Okay, that's correct. It's letter B. Good job. The monkey's happy. Okay, now we'll go to another form of questioning. Is it 12:20? Is it 12:20? Okay. No, it isn't. It's okay. No, it isn't. What's your answer? A. It's 1:20 or 1:20. 2:20. C. It's 3:20 or 3:20. Okay, it's 1:20. A. Okay, let's keep moving. Is it 12 o'clock? Okay, no, it isn't. Okay, so it's not 12 o'clock. So we will find out what is it. What time is it? A. It's 9 o'clock. B. It's 10 o'clock. Or C. It's 11 o'clock. Okay, may I know what's your answer for this? A, B, or C? Good job. It's 11 o'clock. The monkey's happy. Okay, let's keep moving. Is it 11:30? Is it 11:30? No, it isn't. Okay, so we will find out what is 11:30. Or what, it's not 11:30, so we'll find out what time is it. A, it's 9:20 or 9:20. It's 1:30. B, it's 6:15. Okay, can you help me? Help me find the answer. That's right. It's letter B. It's 1:30. Okay, here. Is it 6 o'clock? No, it isn't. Okay, help me find the right answer. Okay, A, it's 12 o'clock. B, it's 1 o'clock. C, it's 4 o'clock. Okay, can you help me find the answer? A, B, or C? Good job. It's A. It's 12 o'clock. Okay, the monkey is happy with your answer. That's why he's dancing. Okay, is it 6:15? Is it 6:15? No, it isn't. Okay, help me find the right answer. How to read the time. A, it's 12:10. B, it's 9:10. C, it's 4:10. Okay, so can you help me find the answer? Is it A, B, or C? Excellent! It's B, 9:10. Okay, well done. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining with me in this episode. So please continue to subscribe. For those who are new, click subscribe so that you can or you will be notified every time I have new videos. Okay, if you like it, you can click or you can drop some comments, any suggestion that you would like me to know. I'm welcoming every comments that you have. So that's it. Thank you, everyone. God bless you. See you next time.